Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to import data into Pipedrive? This guide will show you how to prepare your data, import it into Pipedrive and ensure everything is correctly mapped. Let's get started with your data imports. So, let's go ahead. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video, you have to go ahead and open pipedrive.com. Go ahead and open it, and right after that, make sure that you are on this website. Go ahead and try it for free, and make sure to log in using an email or simply quick access simply by clicking on the Gmail button. You will be able to connect very easily, skipping few steps such as the registration step. Then you have to give them a couple of information about you, such as the name, and choose a password, then a phone number. That's gonna be simple. So just give them a name, for example, like that. Here a password. Let's give them this password, and here a phone number. I'm just gonna add a phone number, guys, and I'll be right back. After we have chosen and we added our phone number, then we have to go to the about you. Let's just give them a few answers. Which title describe job role the best? Let's choose, for example, sales manager. What is your experience with sales tools? I haven't used any sales tools before. You can answer it depending on your situation. Then, what do you want to do first? Let's make sure that we have new lead or close deal faster. Let's go next. Let's go and finish this with company name. Let's name it, for example, Title LCD. How big is your company? Let's say 1 member. Company industry, let's choose energy. Then let's choose how many people do your company will use Pipedrive? 1 person. Then create account, and the account should be created. Let's save it, and there we go. So now, how can we import data inside of our Pipedrive account? For this specific reason, we are going to be guided by their help center. So here we go. Note, importing data into Pipedrive is only available for users with the correct global permission enabled. You can import your data to Pipedrive from XLS, XLSX, and CSV spreadsheet files, allowing you to add leads, deals, organizations, people, products, and notes, and finally activities, all at the same time. Before getting started, check out their article on how your data is organized in Pipedrive, for example, if you are importing, etc., etc. We don't care about that. Now let's go and let's get started to import our data. So the ways here, before you import, consider the data you are adding to Pipedrive and format your spreadsheet accordingly. Are you trying to import a list of contacts, people, or organization? Do you want to import contacts and create an open deal? Do you want to import contacts, open deals, and create activities for those deals? Do you want to import contacts, open deals with activities, and attach notes, or open new deals for contacts that already exist in Pipedrive? Some spreadsheet formatting tips. Remove formulas. Use a fresh spreadsheet without any formulas. If you have a spreadsheet that uses formulas or data linking to generate the content of a cell, copy the data from your spreadsheet into a fresh sheet without the formulas. 1 tab per spreadsheet. Your spreadsheet should only have 1 tab containing data. If your spreadsheet has more than 1 tab, a multiple offer spreadsheet, for example, copy and paste the tabs into individual files and import them one at a time. No special symbols. Your spreadsheet can't have symbols for numeric or monetary fields. For example, a column for deal value should just include the number 1000 and not the symbol $1,000. Spreadsheet size limit. There is no maximum limit on the number of spreadsheet columns, but the maximum file size is 15 megabytes, with a limit of 15,000 rows per spreadsheet. So these are some considerations to put first, and now to upload our files. So to upload our file, we need to go first to initiating the importing. So we have to go to 3 points, more, import data, and from spreadsheets. Let's go here, click right here, and let's go and import data. Click right on it and you will find this page. Let's go here. As you can see, we can upload our data right through this area. So what should we do is simply create an example of a spreadsheet real quick and upload it. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to the desktop and let's click here, click and create a new Excel sheet and manage it to create some kind of a database. I'm gonna just keep it simple with name and age and phone number. This is what I want it to have, and let's just simply keep it simple. Let's go and make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it in the middle. Let's make it bold, and let's make a small table just like that. Now let's add the contact informations. So let's make here, for example, names, and here the age, here phone number, and let's just simply copy them and paste them in several rows. Now let's save it, let's cancel it, and let's attach it to our page. So let's go here, upload it, and there we go. Let's wait a little bit, and that's gonna be pretty much it. So now check the automatically match field to complete the mapping. Okay, got it. So name is name, age has to be add a new field. Let's call it person field for about your contact information, which is called age. Let's go here, let's choose numerical since it is age, and then save it. And here phone number, phone, work, personal field. Then click on next, and as you can see, it's going to be like that: name, age, and phone. Let's go next, and here create multiple records. Let's merge data. So this is for people with the same name and email are merged into one. Organization with the same name and address are merged into one. If they don't have the same thing, well, they will be separated records. In our case, we have like duplicated names and ages and numbers or phone, so that is why they are asking this. So for our case, we just have to merge data since they are duplicates of each other, and then let's start the imports. And just like that, we have to wait a few seconds, and there we go. So now we have our data added, and there it is. This is the name, this is the age, and here it is the phone number. And yeah guys, this is pretty easy and pretty simple and very straightforward. Nothing is complicated about it. Simply go to 3 points, create an Excel sheet, add your information, make it simple, and upload it. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.